to me, a great business is sustainable. It's sustainable, meaning it's going to be here long term. It's also predictable, meaning that we can estimate our future based on history, knowing our numbers. And I'm not just talking revenue and profit, but our activity. How many clients? How long do they stay? What's our sales conversion? What's our how do we serve our customers and treat them? So it's sustainable, it's predictable, but a great business is also stable, meaning that we have high retention of employees. We've got great engagement. A great business also is consistent. Whether you're a consumer or you're an employee, you want consistency with somebody that every time you go there or you go in a different location of the same business, you know how you're going to be treated.
That builds trust.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
And then the last piece of a great business is that they have an emotional connection. So sustainable, predictable, stable, consistent, and has an emotional connection. And I think that last piece is more and more important, the emotional connection.
Yeah. Go get it.